Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve the last question, or you can say question number 2 of exercise 12.4. Okay, question number 2 is stating students that here one table is given, okay, and you have to complete that table serially. Algebraic expressions are given like 1 2 3 4 and 5, okay, and then first term, second term, third term, fourth term is written. You have to find fifth term, 10th term and 100th term. Okay, so one by one we will find out. Okay, now starting from the very first segment students, this is question number 2. Starting from first expression students, the given expression is 2n minus 1. Okay, here the fifth term is given as 9 students, 10th term is given as 19th, so you have to find 100th term. Okay, now if you will see students, here its fifth term is given how much? Its fifth term is given 9. Now if you will see here, if you will put n is equal to 5, then 5 to the 10 minus 1, you will get the fifth term as 9, right? Similarly, if you want its 10th term, then you will get 19. How? 10 to the 20 minus 1, 19. Meaning what students? Meaning is that as the number of terms we need, we are putting the same n value in the algebraic expression. ठीक है, हमें जितना जो सा टर्म चाहिए, जो भी टर्म चाहिए, लाइक फिफ्थ टर्म चाहिए, तो n इज इक्वल टू 5 हम अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में पुट कर रहे हैं तो हमें मिल रहा है. ठीक है, लाइक सपोज कि n इज हमें 100th टर्म चाहिए, तो अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में n इज इक्वल टू हम कितना पुट करेंगे? 100. लाइक सपोज आई नीड 88th टर्म, देन in the algebraic expression how much we will put the value of n? We will put n is equal to 88. So like this we are calculating. Okay, so fifth term calculated, 10th term calculated, we have to calculate 100th term. So 100th term means what? 100th term will be 2 into n value will be 100 students minus 1. Now if you will solve it, 2 into 100 will give you 200 and minus 1 will give you 199 as its 100th term. Okay, now moving to next expression students, serial number 2. Here the given algebraic expression is 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2. Now let us calculate its fifth term. Okay, so first we will here calculate fifth term. Okay, now for calculating fifth term, just as I told you, the same number of n value we will put as we are finding out the number of term. जिस टर्म को हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं वही नंबर ऑफ n को हम यहाँ पे n का वैल्यू डिसाइड करेंगे. लाइक सपोज हियर वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट फिफ्थ टर्म, सो हियर n विल बी इक्वल टू 5. सो 3 into 5 plus 2, so 5 3s are 15 plus 2, so fifth term will be 17. Now similarly we will calculate its 10th term now students. Okay, its 10th term will be 3 into 10 plus 2, that is 3 into 10 30 plus 2 will be 32. Okay, now similarly we will calculate its 100th term students. So 3 into 100 plus 2, it will give you 300 plus 2. Now moving to next segment students, segment number 3. Now the algebraic expression for segment number 3 is 4n plus 1. 4n plus 1. Now one by one again we will calculate. First we will calculate fifth term. Okay, fifth term is equal to, now here 4n is there, so 4 into 5 as we are finding out the fifth term plus 1, so 4 5 is 20 plus 1 21. Okay, similarly we will calculate its 10th term students. Here you have to write it completely, I am making it short. So 4 into 10 plus 1, 10 4 is 40 plus 1 will give you 41. Okay, now similarly we will find out its 100th term students. Okay, 100th term is equal to 4 into 100 plus 1. So 4 into 100 will give you 400 and plus 1 will give you 401. Now similarly we will calculate the next segment, segment number 4 students. The expression for segment number 4 is 7n plus 20 is there. Okay, so it's a fifth term. First we will find its fifth term. Fifth term is equal to, now 7 into 5 plus 20. Okay, 7 5 ja 35, 35 plus 20 55, right? So it will give you 55. Okay, now similarly we will calculate its 10th term. So its 10th term will be 10 into 5 plus 20. 10 5s are 50, 50 plus 20 will give you 70. Now similarly we will find its 100th term. Okay, now if you will find 100th term, then n will be equal to 100 into 5 plus 20, right? So its 100th term will be 100 into 5 will give you 500 and then plus 20 will give you 520. Okay, now moving to next segment, that is last segment students. The expression for last segment is n square plus 1. Okay, now let us calculate its fifth term. So its fifth term is equal to n square. Okay, n square means n into n. So here n will be equal to 5 when we are calculating its fifth term. So a 5 square plus 1. Now 5 square will give you 5 5 is 25 plus 1 will give you 26. Means fifth term will be 26. Similarly calculate its 10th term students. Okay, so here now the value of n will be 10, means 10 square plus 1. 10 square will give you 100 and plus 1 will give you 101, means its 10th term will be 101. Now let us find out its 100th term students. So now this n value will be 100, okay, plus 1. Now 100 if you will square it, then 1 followed by 40 will be there, means 10,000. Okay, plus 1. So if you will add it, then I don't want to commit mistake. If you will add it 1 0 0 0 0 and 10,001, you will get 10,001, 30 and 1. Okay, so its 100th term will be 10,001. So like this, whenever the value is expression is given and whatever number of terms और जो भी number of term हमें चाहिए, जैसे कि 56th number of term चाहिए, तो n is equal to 56 हम algebraic expression में जब put करेंगे, then we will get that particular term. Okay, so this was your question number 2 students. I hope you might have understood and thank you for connecting with me.